Hi, welcome to my very first video. My name is Patrick. This is the channel Patrick's Investments, and I recently started investing on Trading 212 because I found the platform interesting, and to be honest, I'm living in Switzerland with my wife and my daughter, and there are no free stock buying and selling options here in Switzerland. So I use mostly two German brokers and DEGIRO, which is like a Dutch broker. However, I just found recently a video online about it. I was searching and I don't know why I didn't see Trading 212 before, but now I'm on it. I signed up last Sunday. On Monday, I got my free share because I signed up with a code from another YouTuber. And if you'd like to support me in the channel in the future and you'd like to open a brokerage account as well, you'll find the link in the description below. If you invest minimum £1 or €1 or €1, whatever currency you're sitting in, you can get a share with a value of up to 100 in your currency, or £100, £100, €100, as well as I will get one myself. So it's actually a win-win situation. And the cool thing about Trading 212 is it's pretty simple to use. So most people who use a phone will be familiar with how to use it. It's basically going up and down, left and right, and you have different options. So we can look into my Trading 212 portfolio. You'll see it currently, and it's in francs. So this is actually one criticizing point. I cannot change the currency anymore. So I put it in Swiss francs because I get salary in Swiss francs. But I will convert it every time for you guys, so you know more or less how much it is in UK pounds as well as in euro. So you always have three currency in mind. You see currently it's at 175 francs 49. You see it's jumping up and down. And I created a little pie of one ETF, exchange traded fund. So basically an ETF is something where a lot of stocks are combined within one fund, and you don't have to purchase a single share, but you purchase depends on the ETF you buy, hundreds or up to thousands of stocks in one. So you diversify directly, and the risk, you spread the risk across different companies. Plus, in addition, I have 15 shares, and we're gonna go look through them as well. And coming back to that one free share, so I got really lucky. I wasn't expecting that. Usually when you have something like this where it's like, yeah, you get a share up to $100 or £100, you get something like $3, $4. My first share, which I got for free before I even started investing, that's a cool thing, was AMD, and it cost, let me just go inside and see, where is AMD? You see here, 69 francs 87, which is crazy. That's basically one share for, you see one share here. I got it, you see, 68.65 when it was bought. Basically, I got this money like cashed in, and then it was purchasing the stock for me, which is really cool. So right away I started with a 68 francs, like 60 pounds and something in profit. Why I think I got this? Because most people, when they will sign up, they most probably send £1 or $1 or 5. I sent right away 100 over, and I was not even yet invested, and I got a free share. It took only a day or so, and I got the free share, which is really, really cool. So if you would like to have one as well, I recommend use the link below and try to at least send some more money into your account, even without investing yet, maybe 50 or 60 or 70 or 100, as much as you like, to try it out. And you don't have to invest right away everything. You can invest only 10 in the beginning and still leave 90 in cash. But let's go through my portfolio now. How I chose this. A little background information. I am having already an account, obviously 3 brokerage accounts, 2 in Germany, 1 in Netherlands, or basically in Switzerland through the Netherlands. And my portfolio at the moment is close to £30,000. I started investing in 2019 June with ETFs, and started with stocks in October 2019, and really invested heavily this year. However, with my Trading 212 portfolio, I would like to do a different approach, and I selected stocks which I do not own yet in my other brokerage accounts. So you'll see, for example, I do not have Apple or Microsoft here because I have them already in the other ones. In case you would like to see the other ones as well, please let me know. I'll show it in one of the other videos so you'll see what is my portfolio. Currently, I have approximately achieved, let me just double check here quickly, dividends this year of €924.23. This is with interest. Just the dividends alone are €884.24, which is really a lot of money. And passively, which comes every month. So every month a company is paying, for example, Realty Income is paying a monthly dividend, and then the US stocks are paying quarterly, and then some are paying like Diageo UK stock is paying twice a year, and then you have some like Germans, for example, what is it? Vonovia, which pays once a year, or Allianz. So you see there's quite a lot of possible here. And well, yeah, let's look through which stocks I have actually. So we have Activision Blizzard, which is gaming, Adobe System, which is Photoshop and things like this. I use them myself. So I thought, why not getting paid for something that I pay a monthly fee for Photoshop, for example. AMD, sorry, which is the free share I got, which is basically same industry like Intel. And you'll see another one I have here as well. MasterCard I have here in Trading 212 because I have Visa invested in my other portfolio. Munich Re, which is insurance of an insurance. So I have insurance with Allianz in my main portfolio, and I have Munich Re in this portfolio. Then I have Nestle, which is a Swiss stock. Currently difficult to actually buy from the German brokerage because of some restrictions this year. Netflix, which obviously everyone knows what Netflix is. NextEra Energy is green energy, everything with solar, wind power, water power, and so on. Then NIO, which is electric car manufacturer from China. Novo Nordisk, which is specialized in diabetes medicine from Denmark. Nvidia, which is computer components. PayPal, online payments. Spotify, you know what is. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturer is TSCM, which is again same like Intel and AMD. And then we have Tesla, which I obviously started way too late. I wish I would have bought Tesla in 2019 or 2018 already, but that's how it is. Volkswagen, which is car manufacturer from Germany, and Vanguard FTSE All World, which is the ETF. How I have it set up, basically, if you look at it, you see the half pie on the bottom. This is how it's invested now. Let me see if we can see the whole thing. Here we have the pies. Holdings. Here we go. So we have set up the way that I want a quarter of the investment going into the Vanguard FTSE All World ETF, basically make it more passive for me. And then we have all the different stocks, which I actually weighted at 5%. However, yesterday it started investing in the stocks that were already open when I set it up, which were the German stocks and the European stocks. That's why you see, for example, where is it? You see Nestle is at 7.87%, even though it's supposed to be 5%. And as well as Volkswagen and Munich Re, and the other ones were supposed to be 5% are below, which is 2.75 and so on. Again, I'm learning this, and it seems like it's investing first something, and then you can do a rebalancing thing, which you see here on the bottom. If you press rebalance, it will tell you, okay, we will sell these and these four, which are overweighted, and we'll buy for that money that becomes available the other ones to balance it basically to 5%. However, I do not want to do that. I want to wait until the next money comes in and then basically put it in and see if it's going to equal it out. So basically it will invest more into the ones which are below 5% and will skip, for example, the ones which are already above 5%. So this is how I want to see it. You see as well here, pretty cool the visualization. So it's made very cool and very easy to see. So I see 100 francs 91. I'm 91 cents above, or 91 Rappen, which is the currency here. You see the white line inside the circle is the goal. If it's inside it, below it, it's basically less than what's invested, so the 5% mark. And if it's sticking above it or outside of it, it's basically invested more than that. All right, that's pretty much my portfolio. So 175 so far. Here we go. And if you would like to have a free share as well, please use the link below. If you would like to follow me, if you would like to see my main portfolio, which I have in the other 3 brokerage accounts, please let me know. Then I'll share that as well. And the plan is to basically bring a weekly update on this and see how it's performing and how obviously this whole app is working, because you have Trading 212 Invest and CFD. My recommendation is you stick to invest, and it's a long-term approach. So if you want to become rich fast, you should not watch any of these videos, and don't believe anyone who tells you that you can get rich fast. Something like buying all your life savings, buying Tesla, and then it rockets up like last year or this year basically, do not rely on that. That's a 1 in a billion chance. Investing in the stock market, if it's ETFs or individual stocks, is a long-term project. So you should only invest money that is freely available to you, that you don't need to pay rent or any expenses next month or this month. And basically a long-term approach, because something like 2020 happened. You need to see, it's flickering here, don't worry, it's updating the stock market courses. So I'll show it to you in a second as well. So basically, it's a long-term investment. Do not invest money that you need tomorrow. Do not invest money that you need next month. You need to invest money, or you can only invest money that you don't need, spare cash. And first of all, if you have debt, you should get out of the debt, because debt is always more expensive in regards to interest rates versus what you can achieve in the market. And the first thing you should do is get rid of your debt. Then build up an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months, and then you should start investing. However, if you're really itchy and you want to invest, then get your free share through the link, and tell me as well what you received. I would appreciate it, because I want to know what you received compared to what I receive as well. And hopefully together you can start investing, and we can build up our wealth and maybe our retirement funds. And most important as well, it's a long-term thing, so do not expect to get rich tomorrow or the week after. Yeah, right. Please leave a comment what you think about the video, if you like the setup with the screen here, and if you want to see a little bit more of my other portfolio, I'm happy to do so. And take care, stay healthy, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next week. Cheers.